How to fix pages not loading up on Safari. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy steps on how you can fix the issue of Safari not loading up websites or pages. Well, if Safari isn't loading web pages, you can try refreshing the page. You can also try and connect to a different network or restart your device. So let's get straight on to the video. First, you can try and refresh the page. To refresh the page, you can tap on this little arrow icon here at the bottom and it should refresh it. If it still doesn't hold up, what you can do is you can check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable connection by trying a different network for checking your router. A simple restart can also resolve many temporary glitches, so you can do that. But if it's still not loading up, then it might be that the website is not available in your server. So what you can do is you can try and use VPN and check if that website loads up. So this is how you can fix the issue of Safari not loading up web pages. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.